Relative to Wendy's and DPZ and Papa's, I mean, where does McDonald's rate, given some of the extraordinary comps we've gotten from at least a few of those other players?
Yeah. No, it's great to be a meal-oriented player like the pizza guys. You certainly see it with chicken, whether you're Chick-fil-A in the private world or KFC, Popeyes from restaurant brands. Those guys are all doing monster comps because they have this huge check growth at dinner. McDonald's has to fight that breakfast decline rate, major double-digit declines, probably a 8+ point drag to McDonald's comps alone is breakfast. Longer term, this thing will do well. International is going to be even slower build-up. So that's what makes this rank behind like the more domestic-oriented earnings revision stories. So even casual dining is going to have some serious earnings zing going forward. So within the world of casual dining, a name like Darden would rank higher. And a Wendy's domestically has more earnings zing in the near term, but long term, McDonald's does deserve the premium it gets as being a share gainer that should slowly get out of this from Europe and U.S. breakfast.
Mm-hmm. Finally, we got to go, David, but before we get into Starbucks tonight, you feeling you got an itchy trigger finger on Starbucks in front of the print?
Yeah. Well, Starbucks is doing everything it can. Specialty coffee is a tough zone right now. We just heard from a big breakfast player in McDonald's that it was tough to be in the morning day part. Starbucks has a lot of on-premise business that was down 75%. That was the last time they checked in with us. And as of late May, their on-premise business was down a monster amount. Their comps were probably down over 20%, mid-20s probably in June. So it's a slower road back for Starbucks, and that's the problem. The good news is for them that they have network earnings where they want them, and so the earnings are modestly set by the street and them. But we're in line on that stock because this slow climb that they're having on sales.
Right. David, great insight as always. We love turning to you on restaurants. Thanks again.